Hello friends, welcome to FoxuTech. So today we're gonna see another, it cannot be an important topic or it can be a manageable topic, but it's a good to know about in the ArgoCD, okay? So this is another video from ArgoCD. So which is nothing but, let's assume you have made some changes on ArgoCD or there is some changes coming up related to ArgoCD or there is something related to ArgoCD, right? How best you can communicate? So you can send a mail to the users or you can just put them Teams chat or Yammer or you can have a better communication tools in your organization, right? So how many of you believe like that can be reached to everyone, right? Yes, it reaches, but everyone reads, that's question mark, because there will be a multiple mails and there is a possible that mail or the announcement get lost or people may not receive on time. It's no, may not be 100% true, but there is a highly chance, right? So what is a better way to inform to the user? Along with that, I'm not suggesting to skip those options, but here we can add one more step, right? Along with those communication, we can add a one more step here into the ArgoCD tool itself, so which will take care of announcement to the users. How? No, there is no mail notification or something, or there is no notification system here, but there is a way, right? Which is nothing but banner, right? So we can see the ArgoCD UI and what if there is a banner on top or the bottom or somewhere we can say there is a changes coming or there is something you are announcing and that is reaching the user. Okay, so this video we're gonna see that. So what we're gonna see, so we're gonna see how you can set a banner for your ArgoCD and how it will be important. The important factor here is so you can inform to user about the changes or you can ask them to divert to any new website or something you can do. And also we're gonna see we're gonna set the banner on top, we're gonna see it on the down, and also we're gonna give the option for users to skip the banner. Okay, so those are the things we can do. And how we can do this, all these configurations are completely rely on single file in the ArgoCD. So any major configuration things related to any ArgoCD tools or the internal objects, so that will be relies on the single file, which is nothing but argocd-cm.yaml file. This is the main configuration file. Okay, so let's quickly check that. kubectl get cm-argocd. Okay, so this is the file. Let's describe it. Okay, kubectl describe cm. And again, so I'm using a short form here, as I said in other videos. So if you wish to change, if you want to use full name config maps, please feel free to use it. So I'm using for based on my comfort. I hope it's a comfort for everyone, right? Yes. Okay. So what I'm gonna do, so quickly I can show you my current configuration. Already I have set some values. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna quickly apply this file to make sure there is no banner being updated. Okay. So to avoid any kind of confusion. Okay. So apply -f config map -argocd. Okay. So let's confirm there is no other data other than reconciliation. So this we made a recent videos and you can visit in our YouTube channel, and this is also one of the important values you need to set. So you can read about it. All right, so let's jump into this video. So I can confirm there is no banner at this moment. Let me refresh my ArgoCD. There is some slowness, sorry for it. Okay, so let's let it come up. Meantime, what I'll do, I just open a file, config.yaml, and let me update the values. Oh, for the value, and I have prepared a content in my notepad, so I'm just going to copy paste here. So there may be a space issue. Let's check it. If there is a space issue, let's fix it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna save my users. So if you wish to visit YouTube, sorry, facebook.com, so please click here. Okay, so that's it's a short notification. So first one is the content which will be shown to the user, and if user wish to click, if they click, and where it has to land. So I'm giving my website link, but you have to, in your organization, you can give your organization related URLs, or if you have any Confluence page or any kind of wiki page or some organization websites, you can route to there. Okay, and banner I'm gonna set is currently let me set false, sorry, let me set true first, and then I'm gonna make it top. We'll change it to bottom also, we'll see it in the video, but I'm gonna do this operations. Okay, let me confirm it. So ArgoCD is getting refresh, and at this moment we didn't see any banners. All right, so let's apply kubectl, apply config map ArgoCD. Okay, so my configurations are here, and let me quickly describe it for you. And all these changes are here. Well, right? So let's again refresh ArgoCD. Let's see, are we getting anything? Yes. So you can see the banner has been populated. So let me click here to make sure it's correctly landing to my website. So let me close the existing one, and this is what it does. All right, so we have done this thing. So we've seen on the top, it's a permanent one, right? So let's see quickly how we can make it on bottom also. Sorry for that. Okay. How you can set to bottom? Nothing. So you can put the position bottom. So the file will, the banner will be changed to bottom. So let's refresh, and you can see the banner is here, right? It's too short, sorry for it, but yes, the banner has been moved to down. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna move it to top, and let's play around a little more. Okay, and I'm making it top. Okay, so let's check the change, apply the changes first, and refresh this page. Okay, so we are on top, right? So let me do one more changes. The panel should be permanent or not, right? So let me keep it false. Why? Because see, we're gonna announce something to the users, but there is no always you need to keep it, right. Not all the announcement is mandatory to keep it as a static position. Sometimes we need to set it dynamically, or we need to give the user to flexibly changing that, right. So what I'll do, so let me do this. So currently there is no option to remove this. Even if you have single line it shows, if you have 10 lines, it may come to down. So your announcement, if it's a big, it will be a problem for users. They cannot see the contents, whatever they want to see, right? So that's how ArgoCD gives another flexibility here. So what you can do, you can skip this banner. How you can do, so as I said, it's a permanent is not true. I set it false, and that will be look like this. Okay, so it will show in the big view, and it will deliver your changes or deliver your message to the users. Users, once they read again, they can skip. That is different case, I'm not speaking here. So our goal is it has to be informed, right? So we have informed it now, and what you can do, you can just say don't show me again or dismiss it for now. That means whenever I refresh again, it should show or not, right? So for now, I don't want this. If I skip, the banner will be disappear from the UI. So interesting, right, guys? Yes. So you can play around with these changes, and you can apply an important thing. You don't need to restart any resources. Okay, any pod or deployment, you don't need to restart. You can just apply on the fly. Okay, so a message can be anything. There is no limitation at this moment as now, and you can put it into the deliverable URL, maybe inside organization, outside organization, you can see. And banner position permanent or false, you can decide it. Positions, you can think top will be always preferable, but again, I'm not giving to the other way. So it's up to you. Other messages like a GDPR, something you made it and you are informing user this is a GDPR instance or something, you can make it. Okay, I'm giving to you guys. You can decide whatever you want and communicate to your user. Hope this option is very useful and you'll be using it in your production. Thank you guys. If you like this video, please hit like, and if it's so useful, please subscribe and share it with your friend. Hope that may help to even your other folks. Okay, so thank you guys. Thanks for your time, and we'll make a blog about this and I'll publish later sometime. But this video should help you to put this content and try it out yourself. Okay, so that's it for now. Thank you for your time. Take care. Bye bye.